Top 10 Talmud, Part 10. The Gemara Chagiga, page 3a, says the following. Amar lem HaKadosh Baruch Hu Yisrael, God said to the Jewish people, Atem asisuni, chatiba achas ba'olam, vani eschem chatiba achas ba'olam. You Jewish people singled me out, you designated me as a special praise of the world of the universe. So too in return, God said, I will single you out for special praise in the world. How so? Back in the Gemara, Dichtiv, it says in the Gemara, follow along. You said about me, the Jewish people said about God, Shema Yisrael, Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad, Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. How did the Jewish people designate and choose God to be a unique praise in this world? We said, Shema Yisrael, Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad, Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God. The Lord is one. We made God one in the world. So in return, God responds to us and says, Vani e'eseh eschem chatiba achas ba'olam shenemar mi ka'amcha Yisrael goy echad ba'aretz. God will then in turn make us a special treasure, make us a special designated nation, a unique nation for praise in the world. As he said, Umi ka'amcha Yisrael goy echad ba'aretz. Who is like the nation of Israel, one nation, one united nation in the world. What does this mean? Now that we've read the Gemara, now let's learn the Gemara. We've done Bekius, we've read the superficial reading of the Gemara, now let's go Be'iyun, investigate critical analysis. Rashi, whose commentary is noted in the Gemara, says the following. What is Chativa Achas? You've made me a special treasure, a unique treasure in the world, a unique praise in the world. Says Rashi, Shabach Echad, Shabach Miyuchad. Singular praise, unique praise. Avraham Avinu, our forefather Abraham, began to realize there is one God who is the source of everything. And therefore he brought that oneness to the world. God is one means God is the source of everything in the universe. That's the oneness of God, Hashem Echad. So the Zohar explains what is this oneness of God. It says, Sovev kol olmin, God surrounds all worlds. Umimale kol olmin, fills all worlds. U mi baladecha, and without you, ein shum metzius klal. Nothing can exist. Nothing is possible without God. That is the only thing that exists. And therefore that's the oneness of God. Since we recognize God as the source of the universe, God in turn made us the chosen people, as he says that we are mi ka'amcha Yisrael, who is like the nation of Israel, one nation under the earth. God is one, and he made us one. The Jewish people, no matter where we are, feel a special affinity toward each other, a special unity with each other, even though we don't know each other. And so, when the hostages are taken and placed in Gaza, all the nation prays for them. We all pray for their release. When the Bibas mother and children were murdered, the whole nation mourns. It's affecting all of us. When we are redeemed from Egypt, it's a national joy. And when we have suffering, it's a national suffering. We are united. Where does that unity come from? From God. Since God is one, the trickle-down effect to us in our world is we are one. We have achdus and unity and affinity for each other because God is one. Our oneness reflects God's oneness. He's the source, and we are connected to that source because we are his people. And this Gemara is an explanation of the words of Devarim, chapter 26, verse 17 and 18, which says, Es Hashem ha'amarta hayom, that we declared God as one in the world, the Hashem ha'amircha hayom, and Hashem will declare us one in the world. This Gemara of Chagiga 3a is an explanation of those words of the Torah itself. And what does this mean? It means that we are one because he is one. We are united because he is united. So when Avraham Avinu went against the conventional wisdom of his time, who thought that there were many gods, and Abraham said no, from the age of 3 to the age of 52, he contemplated the universe and decided there must be only one God, one prime mover, one vital force which drives the universe. Avraham Avinu brought that belief, that knowledge to the world, and we are his descendants, and it's our job to continue that belief by saying, Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad. God is one, and therefore in turn, we are one. So let's go one step deeper. Not only are we the chosen people, that God chose us to be one nation, his representative, his nation, his treasured nation, but the reason for that is because we are the choosing people. Abraham chose God. He singularized God. He made God into one in the world, for singular praise in the world as one God, Hashem Echad, and therefore God chose us in return. We're only the chosen people because we are first the choosing people. We chose God first, and God reflects that by choosing us in return. And that is the special relationship between God and the Jewish people, and the Jewish people and God. And the more we study Talmud together, the more we understand the deeper meaning of the Torah, and the Talmud teaches us the meaning of life, the purpose of life, and how we can achieve our meaning, our purpose, and our destiny in life.